guys, I am working on this quilt block, the Starry Pumpkin by Miriam. She is over at Stitch Obsessed, and this is a free pattern if you're interested in it, if you're not already following her. But we're going to go ahead and start this, and I've got all of my pieces cut out, and it says first thing we're going to do is make our half square triangles. So I'm going to grab all of my pieces for that. Just a quick little reminder about half square triangles. I know if you've watched my other quilting videos, you have seen me do this before. But you match up your right sides together, and then you're going to draw a line corner to corner. This is going to act as a guide for when we're sewing, because we're going to sew 1/4 of an inch on each side of that line. Once we do that, that will become our cutting line as well. So we'll get the last one drawn here. I'll take these and iron them and cut off the little dog ears there. Alright, so just wanted to do a quick reminder on how to do it. Now I'm going to chain piece these, which means I'll sew this side, and then I'll sew this side and this side. I'm going to do one side of all of them, flip them around, and sew again. And then I can cut them all apart. Oops. So this is what I'm going to sew first, and that's the stem on the background material. I just want to take a minute to trim off the little dog ears. just a quick something that I wanted to show you. When I sewed this one, I wasn't really paying attention, and there's nothing wrong with the way it's sewn. It's just very bulky up here because you have so many seams coming together. I realized it on this one, and so I split this seam to give this a little less bulk up at the top. So this one will just be a little bit easier to sew over, but this is not wrong per se, so I'm not going to take it out. But I did, in case you noticed that I split that, I wanted you to know why. Once you start sewing these, it can get bulky quick. So that's all that was. Just want to sew these together real quick. Okay, now we want to go ahead and attach these, and then we're going to have 4 more pieces to add to that. That'll be background pieces. So we're just going to fold this over. Not bad. That one's a little bit off, but I'm not going to try to fix that as small as that is. So we're going to put this side on. Right now, we can do the end pieces. Alright, now I'm going to iron this one and square it up, but then we're going to make one more, and it's going to be a leaf. Alright, so I tried to center the pumpkin so that we could make a pillow, and this would be in the center of it. Okay, so we're going to stop here and we will do part 2. We'll make the leaf and we'll go ahead and make the pillow as well. So I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you next week. Bye.